This Bud's for you. We're doing a OnePlus giveaway. You remember that commercial? I think it was a Budweiser commercial, but we're doing a OnePlus giveaway. We got a couple of pairs, so we're going to review a pair, and then we're going to send a new unopened pair to the winner. So leave a comment below, subscribe, and we will, we'll get these out to you right away. OnePlus just released, I think the OnePlus Nord just came out. I know that it's not for the US, North America yet, but they also did a surprise release of some really affordable earbuds from OnePlus, and they offer a lot of the compelling features that the AirPods Pro offer. But the price point is really what the key is, right? So OnePlus has definitely gone up market, and now they're trying to come back and capture the mid market. So they've established themselves as a brand. I enjoy OnePlus. I use a OnePlus 7 Pro, and it's absolutely fantastic. A really fantastic phone. You know, Snapdragon 855, 90 hertz screen, fantastic cameras. You know, how can you really go wrong? That phone's going to be fantastic for a while. So these earbuds, the OnePlus earbuds in white, they are, you know, true wireless, Bluetooth 5, but more importantly, they pair seamlessly with the OnePlus devices, obviously, which was something that's really cool that the Apple AirPods Pro does with Apple devices. Very easy to pair. So let's do an unboxing. Get these opened up, see what they look like, see how they feel, get them paired up, and then give them a listen. Obviously, we're always comparing to my two favorites, the Soundcore Liberty Air 2, which are absolutely, positively fantastic earbuds. I think new, they're like $99 or something like that. You can get them factory refurbished for I think $79. But the overall champ is the Jabra Elite 75T. These earbuds are my go-to. These are the ones that I use. The Liberty Air 2s kind of have been sitting around. I pick them up every now and then, but I've been really rocking with the Jabras because not only do they have fantastic sound quality, but the audio quality is absolutely amazing. Noise canceling is unbelievable. Ambient sound is wonderful, and that is something that the Liberty Air 2 does not offer. So, so let's get to unboxing. Let's get to unboxing our OnePlus Buds. Okay, here we are. So let's grab our trusty knife. And we will do a live unboxing. So the packaging looks pretty cool. I mean, you know, OnePlus is probably the brand that I would choose. I mean, I have chosen, you know, over Apple and Samsung because you don't really want to deal with all the bloat. So it's interesting to see that they've come out with the earbuds. You know, the wireless thing is definitely the future. So like, especially now, manufacturers are not packaging chargers, and I'm sure headphones are gonna go the way of the dinosaur. So nice packaging, really quality box, typical. Looks really great, right? In the package, looks really good. So not quite as interesting as but here we go. Got a pretty nice view. The package is beautiful. I mean, the packaging is amazing. You know, they look pretty high quality. Let's see what comes in this. So we have a nice little USB charger cable. Cool. Appreciate that. And you've got a manual, and you've got another user guide. So it's pretty cool. And a message for us from OnePlus. Let me get this in focus. Enjoy your new buds. But will they be best buds? That is yet to be determined. So this is what comes in the box. There you have it. So let's see. I mean, I do appreciate the cable. They are beautiful. The package is not insanely big. It's like a pill almost. Just to give you a little comparison, that, you know, the Soundcore Liberty Air 2s, that, and then if we look at the Jabra's case, so I think as far as I think Jabra's probably, this is a little bit narrower, but it's taller. I like the Jabra case. It's really compact, so that's really good. So that's pretty great. Yeah, so let's get our phone open. So we got our phone open here. You can see that. All right, so we got our phone open. Tap to pair, so very easy. All right, so far, absolutely amazing pairing experience as far as the OnePlus Buds are concerned. So let's take them out. They should be paired up. So we'll put them in. I mean, the form factor is pretty amazing when you look at them. Very Apple iPod Pro-esque. The form, they're a little bit larger on the ear piece, but I noticed that they don't have the little, you know, silicone, you know, and I kind of like that, but let's try these out and let's see how they sound. Wow. So they're comfortable. They're super, super comfortable. Unlike Apple's previous, like the AirPods and their other headphones are really not that comfortable. These are very comfortable. So let's give it a listen. We're connected. We got plenty of battery. So let's throw on this is no EQ, straight out the box, OnePlus. Oh, so you know what? Let's see. Yeah, these are really good. Wow, those are really great. Let's try one more. Man, that's great. That's when you take them out. So that's when you take them out, they stop playing. But I mean, they're amazing. They sound really, really good. So they sound excellent. You can see they're not intrusive like to your to your profile. I mean, it looks like any other earphones. Here, let's just do a little fit comparison here to this one is the most the closest. I think these are the closest to the AirPods. Oh, what's there? Closest to the AirPods because they have the silicone. But when you're wearing them, you know, I mean, these are pretty. I mean, basically the same, I guess. A little slimmer on the side. So, as far as I'm concerned, they look absolutely. They look great. So, I like them. I think that they're a really good. You would not be disappointed. And at brand new, $79, $80. That's pretty impressive. Okay, so let's talk about some of the positives. I do like the form factor. The sound is great out of the box. You get, it's got 10 watt fast charging, so you get, for every 10 minutes of charging, you get 10 hours of playback. Really great and pretty standard. 7 hours of music with the case. Actually without the case, but if you use the case, you can expand that up to 30 hours, which is great, and you get just about 4 hours of talk time per charge. So that's amazing. So it's got an IP rating, splash and sweat resistant. It comes in a bunch of colors, so you can personalize it. Bluetooth 5.0, you know, all those things. So all that stuff is great. And it does have built-in environmental noise cancellation, but that is only available on voice calls. So let's see. So the build quality is very good. It feels sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap. You feel like you're getting a quality product, and I like that. And OnePlus has kind of been known for that. I think that their production specs and standards are fantastic. A couple of things though. So you can't ignore the price, $79, right? So how much can you really complain? Things you don't get. You don't get ambient noise control through the use, and in my opinion, that would be super helpful on this device. Even if it did cost you $20 more, it would set you apart from the Soundcore Liberty Air 2. You also don't have an app, so you're kind of stuck with OnePlus's one size fits all EQ, and that's kind of, for my taste, it sounds great, right? It's definitely good enough. But when I compared the two songs, there was some time when I wished that, man, I wish I could just tweak this EQ a little bit to get the sound perfect the way that I like it. You don't get that with the OnePlus Buds. However, you do get quality buds, but they're about $80. In my opinion, since we're not talking about, you're getting environmental noise canceling, which you also get with the Soundcore. Really, you're talking about a difference of $20. So I think that because you get the Soundcore app that allows you to have customized presets, but also industry proven presets, so they go out and they get artists, right, and engineers to do their preset on the headphones and upload them to you, so then you can now apply them to your own earphones, so you don't have to do much, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool feature. So while they're fantastic and no one would be mad at you for rocking these, and you'll definitely be happy, I don't think they're better than the Soundcores. So for me, we're talking about a difference of $20. I'm going with the Soundcore Liberty Air 2. If the Jabra 75T, refurbished or not, if the Jabra 75Ts are not available at $99. So if you can get these, I would still stick with the Jabras, but the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 is definitely going to be still what I recommend to go with any one of these phones. Now, if they put out an app, which very well could happen, and it gives you the ability to customize and your presets and your EQ so that you can fit this down to you, that would be absolutely fantastic. If they enable in their firmware and a firmware update where you can use the microphone, because I believe there's 3 mics here, yes, 3 per bud, and you can extend that environmental noise cancellation into music, but also use that to allow some pass-through audio, that would put these a cut above everything else, and I would wholeheartedly recommend these. But right now, they're good. They're not great, but they're really good. So that's it. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, we got a giveaway. We got yours right here. So like and subscribe. Leave us a comment, and we'll be picking a winner shortly. And then we'll do an update video and let everybody know exactly who won, and we'll ship them out. So thank you guys very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.